Welcome, girls, to the class of English text. And today, girls, we're going to do an appetizing lesson. A lesson that will arouse our taste buds and will want us to run to the kitchen and try to make this and have it. So, today, girls, we're going to do this lesson around the world in pancakes, right? And as you can see on your screen, girls, it is that we travel to different places in the world seeing the different types of pancakes that are made there. And you can see the colorful pictures on your screen. They are the pancakes are in the different parts of the world, right? And the very thought of it is so appetizing that you just begin to crave for it and you just gorge into it, relishing it to the last bite, isn't it? So, today, girls, in our lesson around the world in pancakes, or it even means pancakes around the world, we're going to see pancakes in their different forms in a variety of taste, texture, and color. And you can just wonder that this humble or simple culinary item is enjoyed universally and consumed by every category of age group, right from the youngest to the oldest. They just love and relish it to the last bite. Okay, but before, girls, we get into seeing these pancakes, let us see that one place in our homes that brings and keeps all of us together, all the people together. That is because cooking and food is what every home has in common. And because of that, we can see it is that part of a home or that room in a home, yes, which is common in all the parts of the world is the kitchen. And you can picture yourself there with your mother, with your granny, or with any of your relative that you're helping them in the kitchen. And what a joy it is, yes, to be in the kitchen, to help your mummies, to help your nannies in preparing something that you love to relish and it surely tastes better. Though kitchens are what to say common all over the world, they differ in different places. But the one common thing is that food is cooked there and people get together there just to cook and to relish the food that is prepared. Okay, so now we come to see what are these pancakes? What are pancakes, girls? Yes, now pan, as you know, is a utensil in which you fry something. Yes, it's a simple pan, right? And the pan is just used over the fire with a little oil or butter to grease the food that is being made. The pancakes is a thin flat cake of batter. Remember, it's batter. Batter is the liquid form of a mixture of flour, of milk, or any other liquid, along with eggs, yogurt, or sour cream. And these are made into a pouring consistency which can be poured as you have seen and which I have shared with you during the class, during the online class. You have seen that you can pour that batter onto the pan and it is cooked there. So, pancake is a thin flat cake of batter which can be fried on both the sides in a pan. And typically, it is rolled up with a sweet or savory filling, which we are going to see further. But a common feature to all these pancakes, girls, is the batter is the batter, which you can see in point 4 here. Yes, you have ingredients, you have the flour, then you have the mixing agent like the egg or the yogurt, milk and water. You turn it into a batter as in point 4, and you can see in point 5 there the what to say batter being spread onto the pan and it is being cooked there. So this is a pancake, right? And now we come to see the different pancakes around the world and you can have a look of the different pancakes There in Australia, you can see the piglets there. In Austria, you can see the different type of pancake that is served along with sugar toppings and some jam, right? Then you come to China, you have the savory pancake there. And you come to Colombia, you have the arepas there, right? Then you come to Brazil, you have the tapiocas there. You can see all these are different because of the different ingredients available in different parts of the world. You have pancakes of England there, you have Belgium, you can see it so clearly there, right? Though the colors are different because the ingredients are different. You have some mouth watering crepes from France. Yes, I'm sure your mouth is watering there, right? Then you come to Germany, you have a different type of pancake, right? Then you come to an African country like Ethiopia, Eritrea, all these are African countries, and girls, here it is made a little bitter. But mind you, it's very, very nourishing, right? Then you come to this, and I'm sure you know what is this. This is the Indian pancake, that is the savory pancake dosa, right? Now, again, you come to the different types of colorful pancakes from Indonesia, you come to Italy, then you come to Japan, you have the okonomiyaki, yeah, which is made from different a variety of fillings of shredded cabbage, vegetables, yes, octopus and squid. You come to Mexico, you have different types, and then you see all these thin crepe like what to say, Morocco. Again, you have a little bitter, what to say, salmon, right? And then you come to this topping of honey, and I'm sure your mouth is watering. So before I leave you, I will just allow you to soak in and relish all the taste by trying to make a pancake from the recipe that is given in your English readers on page 49, with the help of your mummy or granny and with the help of your elders in the kitchen. I would like you to follow that recipe and make a pancake, relish it, and let me know how it was. Yes, so I'm sure you're going to do that. Will you be able to do that and make a pancake following the recipes there? Right? So, all the best and have a wonderful time making it. Thank you. God bless you.